Work zones are hazardous environments under any circumstances, but especially on active roadways. Operating in loud, unpredictable environments with heavy machinery entails more risk when you're doing so next to fast-moving vehicles. Over 100,000 work zone crashes happened across the United States in 2023, resulting in nearly 900 fatalities. That's why the Smarter Center has developed BearAlert, a novel warning system designed to give work zone workers critical time to move out of harm's way. These technologies use LiDAR, edge computing, and predictive algorithms to detect hazards and warn pedestrians.
We are using AI and some prediction models to see how these vehicles will react or when they get to a certain place. So we are looking at how vehicles are approaching, and if vehicle is coming very aggressively toward the work zone, we activate the work zone safety alert based on that calculation and prediction.
When the system detects a vehicle approaching a work zone above a set speed threshold, workers receive 3 overlapping warnings to ensure they're alerted no matter what they're doing on the job: a flashing beacon, a short siren, and a haptic buzz from a wearable device.
Because construction workers are using heavy machinery, they may not hear, they may not feel a buzz, or they may not see. Between all these 3 different ways, they can hear, see, or feel it, and they can run away.
Early results from our Hill and Road pilot study reflect a workforce that welcomes these kinds of safety measures, with crew members responding as intended when the system detects a fast, oncoming vehicle.
We have a lot of crashes, thousands of crashes happening per year in work zone areas. And so a lot of DOTs are very interested in increasing safety for construction workers, and this system can be used in all DOTs.
By delivering reliable, split-second threat detection in chaotic environments, this technology bridges a crucial gap in roadway safety and provides the practical protection needed to save lives in active work zones.